Hello, this is Mr. Golias. Some extra help. We can click File and then New, and then you'll notice they have drawing right here. And this is an easy way to practice at home. The shapes are the same in PowerPoint and drawing, so I'm just looking to get some extra help with using these shapes. So this is the tool we use right here, and this will give us shapes. What I've seen in classes, it doesn't really matter which shape, a circle, square, whatever, any of these. What I'm seeing is like a click, but not holding the left, a normal click down and dragging on an angle, and then eventually letting go. And then being able to kind of click and move an object. Like, we're not able to get to that point. A lot of times where we're getting to is, let's say an object is selected and then it's just real small like this, or it just never even gets drawn, or it's just moved over. We're just not getting there. So my hope, maybe with a little practice, is just, pick a couple shapes and click. I'm holding it down, I'm moving on an angle, and then I let go. We won't worry about the colors and stuff yet, but if things go well, certainly that could be an option. What I'd really love to see is just getting to the point where we could pick any shape and then just click on an angle, make it a size that would be preferred, and then I can work on resizing or clicking on an object and moving it. So even if it was just creating a slide with maybe like 9 images, and it could be whatever. I really don't care about the shapes, making it into anything yet, but just once we can get the skill of putting a shape down, I can kind of build from there. So anyway, thank you for all the help. I really do appreciate it. And good luck.